I bet you didn't know that three-engine planes are almost extinct. Let's find out why. Back in the day, three-engine planes were all the rage. But today, you rarely see them. Why? Well, technology has come a long way. Modern twin-engine jets are super efficient and reliable. They can fly just as far, and if one engine fails, the other can handle the job. Plus, with fewer engines, maintenance costs drop like a brick. Fun fact, some planes can even fly on one engine for hours if needed. Wild, right? And here's a kicker: four-engine planes like the Boeing 747 and Airbus A380 are also becoming less common. It's all about efficiency and cost effectiveness. Fewer engines, more savings, happier airlines, so next time you're flying, give a nod to the two-engine marvels keeping you in the air. Pretty cool, huh?